Today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you about my travel hoops. This is a push pin. You push it in, you pull it out. It's a great way to secure a hoop. So my first hoop here is a sectional. It can come in 2 or 3 or 4 sections. You can make a variety of different sizes, which is nice because then you can flow with 2 different sizes without carrying a bunch of hoops with you on a flight, and you could just stick this in your suitcase. So easy to travel with. You secure it back together and voila, you have a sectional hoop. My second type of hoop is the coil method. You unsecure it, turn it upside down, and gently ease it into a circle and secure it. And there you go. You have the coiled hoop. For hiking, biking, you can even go swimming with it. It will not work as a flotation device. Do not try that. So you just unfasten it and pop it back together, and you have a hula hoop. Voila! Whoop whoop! Oh yeah! Have a hoopin'. Hope you enjoy this. Ciao!